Look at all this space. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I've posted anything, but that's because stuff has been happening, like moving, but I am back. So I wanted to do a little New York apartment tour because I love my new apartment. It just feels like a little reset button, kind of like a refresher, so that we can really dive into new content on this channel. Before we begin though, I just want to say that I understand that moving and being in a space like this is a privilege, especially after the rough year and a half that we had. So in no means am I doing this to like show off my apartment, but it's more like I love looking into people's apartments and see how they decorate and like what their layout is in their apartment, because New York has so many different types of apartments. So without further ado, let's get on with the tour. Here we are at the entrance. This is the lovely front door. We're gonna turn around and I will show you our lovely kitchen. I love this kitchen. We have a nice big stove, an oven, lots and lots of storage. All of our dishes are in the dishwasher right now, actually. Microwave. This thing though, it doesn't stick to the fridge. The fridge is like non-magnetic, which I've never seen before. Countertop here with a nice view of the outside. Look at that, so much space. And here's our little living room area, our couch. That's like my little workstation because Dennis works in the room. I don't really have a desk, which is fine because I don't really need it. But I'm not sure where to film my Pilates workouts. Should I do it against the wall here? A bit of the background. Like obviously I would move the couch, or like do I do it there or facing the kitchen? I don't know. Weights, yoga blocks, everything and anything that we got in quarantine for working out. It's there. Hey! And here is our view. It's absolutely beautiful. Those people are neighbors, and then across the way you see people on their patios, and you just get a really beautiful skyline. And if you really turn your neck, you can see the Hudson, which is like a dream come true. Hello. I like the color of the counter. There's storage there, and then I decided to put my jewelry in a little like ceramic square, and then obviously the things to put our toothbrushes in. Look at all this space. Oh my god. Here's the bedroom. Say hello. To the people of the world. Yep. Our neighbors, if they're naked and their blinds are up, we can totally see them, and vice versa. Look at this hard-working man. It's a work in progress. There are a lot of things that still need to be put away, and there's a couple boxes that need to be unpacked, so it's gonna be, we're settled, but it's gonna be a little more time until everything's ready. I think now maybe we'll work out a little bit. First workout in the new apartment. What? If you are new here, my content on YouTube is primarily fitness, specifically Pilates workouts, and my life as a fitness instructor and professional dancer in New York City. So if that's something you're interested in, please subscribe and thumbs up because that really supports my channel. Definitely not bad, just really dark. Hello.
Any Target bags?
Target haul. Command hooks. Command hooks. Command hooks. Electric kettle. Because Dennis only drinks boiled water.
Filtered water. Yeah.
I'm sweating. I'm so sad. I couldn't carry the plates to the register. More cups. Even more cups.
No, just stick it in the dishwasher and then we gotta wash.
So if you want like a drink, you have the shorter glasses.
Why'd you say like that?
You know, like a drink.
Cheers, babe.
Are you gonna come eat?
See.
Itadakimasu.
Butter, honey, lemon.
I taste it all.
I taste it all.
Mmm, that's so good.
Q-tip, just
Thank
always.
you.
You're welcome. Q-tip, always use a lot.
Okay, so that is the tour. I'm filming the intro and outro actually a couple days later because I didn't like how the original tour turned out. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. I am feeling super refreshed to be in this new space, and I'm so lucky to be in this set space. I feel ready to dive into new content. I know the apartment isn't very aesthetic yet, but we are working on it. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and follow along on my journey of life being a Pilates instructor and dancer in New York City. See you in the next video. Tell the people to subscribe.
Subscribe to Megumi Wama's channel.
And follow us on TikTok.
Oh, follow us?
Yeah, us. It's you and me.
Oh, perfect.
We're
Follow us.
the dream team.
Okay.
Bye guys.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.